Ariana Grande, John Legend, and more celebrities react to Aretha Franklin's death. Everyone is paying R-E-S-P-E-C-T to the Queen of Soul today. American icon Aretha Franklin died this morning at the age of 76. Her family recently revealed that Aretha was gravely ill due to a battle with pancreatic cancer, and unfortunately, the singer-songwriter known as the Queen of Soul lost her battle with the illness today. Aretha's stunning vocals and larger-than-life personality was an inspiration to millions around the world, and she left an indelible impact on the music industry and society as a whole. We will forever be grateful for the dozens of iconic songs Aretha gave us, including Respect, Chain of Fools, and of course Think. Celebrities from all over took to social media to share their condolences and pay their respects. John Legend tweeted, quote, "Salute to the Queen, the greatest vocalist I've ever known." Meanwhile, Josh Gad shared, quote, "You changed music forever and will be remembered as one of the all-time greats. The world has less soul today than it has for the last 76 years. Ariana Grande simply shared a picture of Aretha with the caption, "Forever," followed by a heart emoji. Elton John shared, quote, "The loss of Aretha Franklin is a blow for everybody who loves real music. Music from the heart, the soul, and the church. Her voice was unique, her piano playing underrated. She was one of my favorite pianists." And Chance the Rapper sweetly shared some of Aretha's lyrics in his post, writing, quote, "The moment I wake up, before I put on my makeup, I say a little prayer for you." Now that's just a sampling of the outpouring of love Aretha Franklin and her loved ones received on this very sad day. But we here at Clevver also want to send our sincere condolences to Aretha Franklin's family and friends, and thank the Queen of Soul for giving us some of the most powerful anthems of our lives. Rest in peace. Thank you guys for joining me. I'm your host, Emil Ennis Jr., and I'll see you soon.